In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 useful websites you need to use as a computer science student. I'll be showing you how you can use the websites and some of the disadvantages they have. Hey there, my name is Sean. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for more useful content like this. GitHub is like a toolbox for developers. It can help you keep record of changes other programmers make to their code. You can work together with other programmers on projects and keep different copies of your code. It's also a place to meet and connect with other developers, finding interesting projects and join the open source community. GitHub supports a range of programming languages. To sign up for GitHub, you have to go to the link I put in the description box. To sign up, simply go here. You can press on the link I put in the description box below. Once you're in the web page, click on sign up. Like that, wait for it to load. Just sign up, follow the instructions, and you will have GitHub account. The problem with GitHub is that it can be complex, very complex, especially for beginners. Understanding Git, the underlying version control system, can be challenging. The interface and the use of Git commands may take some time to master. Using Stack Overflow, you can ask technical questions. You can pose specific coding and technical problems you are stuck on, and others who know about the topic can help by giving answers and solutions. Developers and experts share their knowledge to help solve technical issues. You can also use Stack Overflow to learn about programming languages, tools, libraries, and best practices. Many people go there to learn from the questions and answers. Programmers use Stack Overflow to get help with finding and fixing mistakes in their code, understanding error messages, and making their code work correctly. To sign up for the Stack Overflow website, you will simply go to the link I put in the description box below. So once you've clicked on the link I put in the description box, it should take you here. Now, I'm not sure if it should be like this for when you're signing up, but because I've already signed up or I've already signed in, this is how it looks. But it should also be easy to sign in and so forth. Stack Overflow is a great website, but it also has its disadvantages. You must be aware that not every answer on Stack Overflow is right or really good. Sometimes it's hard to tell if an answer is correct, especially for new users. Sometimes the code and examples people share might not follow the right rules about who can use them, and this can sometimes lead to legal problems with copyright or licenses. Geeks for Geeks is like a helpful teacher for learning computer languages. It has lessons for beginners and experts on languages like Python, Java, C++, and more. It has a place where you can practice coding, like doing exercises. It's great for getting better at coding and getting ready for coding competitions. They even have videos on their YouTube channel that explain computer science stuff. It's like having a teacher explain things with pictures and sounds to make learning easier. It is also easy to sign up for GitHub. You will simply click on the link I put in the description box below. So once you're in the Geeks for Geeks website, web page, you can click here to sign in. So Geeks for Geeks has a lot of useful articles and tutorials, but because regular people create them, the quality can be a hit or miss. Some might not explain things well, have mistakes, or get outdated. It is like a library of information. It's not like a classroom where you can do hands-on activities. Some students prefer more interactive learning. Unlike some other places for learning, Geeks for Geeks doesn't have a special tool for practicing coding right there on the website. You'd need to use your own coding tools. W3 Schools is like a teacher for making websites. It has lessons on stuff like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can learn how to create and design websites and web apps. It also has guides for different computer languages like Python, Java, C++, and SQL. This can be handy for students learning these languages in computer science. W3 Schools does not require users to create an account or sign up to access its tutorials and learning materials. It is an open and freely accessible resource, and you can browse and use the content without the need for a user account. W3 Schools provides its tutorials to users without any form of registration or login, making it convenient for individuals to access web development and programming resources without any barriers. W3 Schools is like a beginner's guide. It's good to start, but it doesn't go very deep into advanced or tricky stuff. If you need to really understand complex things, you might need more. It lets you try out code, but it's not like a full practice area. It's helpful for small experiments, but not for serious practice and problem solving. It's mainly for web and programming. It doesn't teach all the computer science basics. If you want a complete computer science education, you will need to look elsewhere. So this is the web page for W3 Schools. You can see it as a nice interface. Free Code Camp is like a fun playground where you can get to do coding challenges and projects. It helps you learn by doing, not just reading. You can learn the basics of making websites like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's like the building blocks of the web. Free Code Camp teaches you how to create whole web apps, like learning both the parts you see on the website front end and the hidden parts that make it work, the back end. You can also learn how to show data in cool ways using tools like the D3.js and chart.js. This is helpful if you are into data and how to show it nicely. To sign up, simply go to the link I put in the description box. Right, once you're in the web page, this is how it looks. Simply go here, click here, and sign in. The platform is mostly about teaching the basics of web development and coding. It doesn't go very deep into advanced or specialized stuff in computer science or programming. You can learn at your own pace, which is nice for some people, but for others who need more help, deadlines, and a structured plan, it might not be the best fit. You can see here, this is the web page. That's how it looks. Yeah. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, you're probably really going to enjoy this video.